The BC transformer is one of our oldest gizmo operations inside of Boxcutter that still remains to this day. So I'm just going to draw a shape and we'll press VV in order to turn this into a radial array, and we'll just click to apply and we'll bring out another shape and we'll press VV to make this a different type of radial array, and we'll just place that one there, and we'll bring out this shape, give it 3 segments on its array, and just place it just to give it a little bit of trouble. And basically if you press Shift V you can bring up the orientation helper. However, we're just going to check the box for the BC transformer, and what this means is that whenever we are hovering over this we can see the various things that we're able to do with this. The one that I'm focusing on is the Shift plus left mouse click, which copies objects. So if I were to ever scroll and bring this object up, if we shift and drag, we see that we're now able to duplicate this object, and I can even select this object and roll through array to adjust the radial array of this object because of the improvements done with Array V2 mentioned in the last video. But we can also do the same with this. We could select this object, duplicate it once again as if we didn't duplicate it already, select the main element that matters. You know, gizmos tend to get in the way, so we have Shift V exclusively for just getting the gizmo out of your face, because there's just times where you just no longer need a gizmo. We'll press Q, ever scroll, bring up this piece. You see the gizmo is already on the selected object. By shift dragging the movement gizmos, we're able to just quickly duplicate this, and without any further issues we're able to go in and adjust the radial array of it without any problems. And this is an improvement compared to the previous version of Boxcutter, where basically if we were to draw a radial array and we keep it and we press Shift V, the issue you would run into when trying to shift duplicate is something like this. So that's definitely undesired, and I'm happy to announce that we now have the ability to perform duplications of radial arrays whenever it comes to using the BC.transformer.